Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the drawing to your document created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open your document. And after that you should tap on the insert button at the top of the screen below the search bar, and then tap on the drawing button. So here you have this blank page to which you can either insert shapes, text boxes or pictures, and if you tap on the draw section you can select a tool and its color. As you can see, you have a pen, highlighter, and basically that's all, and you can start drawing with your pencil. And if you want to, you can use the eraser to get rid of it. So if you are done, just tap on the save and close button, and then you can insert it to your text like this. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.